Good morning, students. In this way, we have studied. Yeah, we have seen in the seventh paragraph how Evelyn Glennie senses or feels the sound of instrumental musical instrument through her whole body. Let me read in the next paragraph. The number is 8. Not surprisingly, Evelyn delights her audiences. In 1991, she was presented with the Royal Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year. That is soloist. From solo, this one. This word is from solo. Soloist of the Year award. Not surprisingly, it means Evelyn delights her audiences. Audition and audience both are different. Audition to when we go to anywhere else to give to you can say to give your sound to give your sound fluctuation such type of thing. This one is the audition and this one is audience. Audience means srotagar. In 1991 when she presents a concert in the Philharmonic Society's prestigious Soloist of the Year award. It means in this paragraph we find that the audience are very happy with the listening Miss Evelyn Glennie, and so she was awarded in 1991 at Philharmonic Society, and here she plays this instrument being alone. This one is her solo performance, and in solo performance she got such type of award. Says master percussionist James Blades, God may have taken her hearing, but he has given her back something extraordinary. What we hear, she feels far more deeply than any of us. That is why she expresses music so beautifully. In this way, in this ceremony, in this program, when a great percussionist James Blade says about her that God does not give her, actually God did not give her hearing power, but at the place of hearing power God has given her something special, something extraordinary power by which she can feel, by which she can feel the sound. So this way she expresses her musical instrument in so beautifully. It means in this paragraph she is awarded for her solo performance at Philharmonic Society, and during this program she was awarded by the James Blades percussionist James Blades, and James Blades says about her that God did not give her listening power, but at the place of listening power God had given something extra, that is extraordinary thing. And by this she can't by this she could not listen, but she could feel that thing. And when we feel anything, the performance of that thing has been better than than listening to that thing. Here she does not listen, but she feel that thing, so she expresses music beautifully, so beautifully. In this paragraph we find one thing, she is awarded, and after this one percussionist James Blades applauds, yeah, you can say praises her by her quality, for her quality, not by her quality, for her quality. It means, and actually James Blades is right. When you find any person who is handicapped, suppose that anyone is blind person, anyone dumb person, if you find a blind dumb person, so you when he or she has something special power, God has given him or her a special power. When I was studying, when I was pursuing my B.Ed course, in my B.Ed course at BHU University, one my batchmate was blind, totally blind since childhood, but his memory power was better than any other batchmate in my class. By his memory power, he got admission in BHU, in prestigious university BHU. So I have realized this thing. When any person who is handicapped, he has something in him or her, something, there is something special. So for this, Narendra Modi ji, our honorable Prime Minister, said handicapped person, not Viklang word is not good for them, but we need to say for them Divyang. Divyang, it means something is special in him, something special in him or her. Here she does not listen or hear the sound, but she can feel. So feeling is better than listening. When you feel anything, the performance of that thing is better than any other person who listen, then he or does do that thing. Okay, I hope you understand from this paragraph. Let me roll down paragraph number 9. Evelyn confesses that she is something of a workaholic. Workaholic, a person who likes to work. One person who does not like to laziness, but he is very active. Whenever he finds any work, he wants to complete very soon that work. That type of workaholic person, such type of जुझारू type of person you want to be. If you want to be successful, if you want to reach the toppest place in your area, first of all you need to be workaholic type person. So she accepts this thing. She is a workaholic person. She likes work. She does not run, or she does not like to run away from work. I have just got to work often harder than classical musicians, but the rewards are enormous. Apart from the regular concerts, Evelyn also gives free concerts in prisons and hospitals. In this way, she accepts that she likes to work harder and harder work, and classical musicians, it means something is different, something is new. She is ready to do new thing, yeah, some innovative thing in her life, innovation, navachar. She likes to do innovation in this way. What's your profession, that's no matter, but matter is that how it matters that how you perform your profession. When you follow the innovation in your profession or not, only you do the work like previous type of like previous persons, so that's no matter. She does innovation in her work, and but the rewards are enormous. According to that, when you work hard, you will find rewards, such type of thing. And apart from the regular concern, and after this one, she also tells us that when she is invited, she goes there to performance there. But apart from all these things, she also like to perform in prisons and hospitals, because it is said in the society, music and song can inhale anyone. Music and song can inhale anyone, can make anyone out of depression, such type of thing. So she likes, she goes to prison, she goes to hospital, there she plays concerts, and without free of cost, no need, no take any cost to the going to there. She also gives high priority to classes for young musicians, and Richlin of the Beethoven Fund for Deaf Children says. And Richlin says, na, she is signing inspiration for deaf children. They see that there is nowhere that they can't go. In this way, and Richlin also accepts this one thing. When she is not only deaf girl, but she is also signing inspiration. When she can motivate other handicapped persons, you can also do. You need to decide. You need not to have any accuse that you can't do because God did not give you hand and eyes, such type of thing. Even deaf person can be such type of musician, and a live example in Indian Bollywood, yeah, you can Indian Bollywood Ravind Jain. Ravind Jain also gave many music for many songs, even religious. You can religious epic also for you can say Ramayana directed by Ramanand Sagar. In this way here you can compare. In Richland says this one, she is an idol for them. She is an ideal girl for all other deaf children. And in this way, and Richland says that as Evelyn can do, as Evelyn does all the things what she wants to do. At the same way, you all can do, and where you want, you all can go. But first of all, you need to believe yourself. You need to trust yourself. You need to talk yourself. You have power. You can do what you want. No? In this paragraph, we find that paragraph number 9, Evelyn in this paragraph we find that Evelyn Glennie tells us that which type of lady she is a workaholic lady, and where she likes to play music or concert. She likes to play without any caste, prisons and hospitals. And after this one, anyone is inspired by her, being a deaf lady, being a blind person like Ravinder Jain. They can do such type of thing. At the same way, you can ask. In this way, writer wants to do that anyone can do what he or she wants. Evelyn Glennie has already accomplished more than most people twice her age. She has brought here more than most people twice her age. It means Evelyn Glennie has been famous in very young age. She has been famous in very young age. Many such type of popularity she receives. To receive such type of popularity, people has to spend more than you can say more than half his age. Many twice many people has to spend twice age to receive such type of popularity, but in very young age she receives she gets such type of popularity. She has brought percussion to the front of the orchestra and demonstrated many प्रदर्शन. And it can be very moving. She has given inspiration to those who are handicapped. Handicapped means Divyang. People who look to her and say, if she can do it, I can. And not the least, she has given enormous pleasure to me. Enormous means big, Vishal. In this paragraph again she says that when she has give a great give a great chance to the orchestra. Mane there is a percussion. That percussion in concert is played at the last, at the background, at the backside. But now such type of percussion, now drum is at the front. Now drum is kept at the front of the orchestra. Mane she has given a great contribution to bring such type of instrument from back to front and demonstrated that and she also tells us the whole world that it is a great instrument, it is a great musical instrument, very moving. Yeah, she has given inspiration, and she is a great inspiration for all those who are handicapped. And people when look her, they think she can do this work, so they also can do the work. She has given enormous pleasure to me, millions. In this way, being a deaf lady, only with the determination, dedication, and resolution, determination, dedication, resolution. She received such type of popularity, and people are enjoyed listening her sound. So this one is the millions and millions people are enjoyed. In this way, Deborah Cowley in this first part wants to tell us that if you have great confidence, if you have determination, if you have resolution, you perseverance, if you have perseverance माने perseverance माने हट लगन, तो you can receive your goal, aim. You need not to believe any other statement, only believe yourself, only trust yourself and go ahead. If anyone likes to go with you, the other, and if does not, if no one likes to go with you, you need to be to go alone. You first of all you need to focus on your life, on your goal, and then you can receive. In this way, this one is the great bold lady, you know? So this one is the an ideal lady for all of us. In this way, this part is over, and after this I will make a video for another part of this chapter. Okay, I stop here. Thanks.